court case involving JFF President Michael Ricketts is a very serious thing. I mean, here we were resigned to the reality that Mr. Ricketts will be JFF President for at least another year, possibly 4 more after that. But with this development, there is clear and present danger of Mr. Ricketts getting booted out of office very soon. I mean, we don't wish that kind of bad publicity on Jamaica. And as much as Mr. Ricketts has been a disastrous president, we don't want to get rid of him so. But it is what it is. And the football is bigger than any individual. So as a fraternity, we have to start looking at who could possibly take over the leadership of the football. Right now, the chairman of the technical committee, Mr. Rudolph Speed, is the man who is basically calling all the shots. Mr. Bruce Gaynor, Peter Reid, Raymond Grant, CASAFA President Wayne Shaw, etc. Let us start the process of sifting through the rubble and see what we can find. Remember, if we fail to prepare, we are preparing to fail. Now, all of this is in case Mr. Ricketts pays the ultimate price for not being nice. Now, if FIFA lets Mr. Ricketts off the hook and he remains JFF president, oh, Jesus. No, no,